Hey, Avi.
But
Hi.
hi.
What are you doing? Is that your solar system?
Mm-hmm.
What are you writing over there?
Mercury. How do you spell that?
Mercury, M-E-R-C-U-R-Y.
M E R C U R Y.
Okay, Avi, now wait a minute before you start writing. Tell me a little bit about the. Oh, wow, you've drawn the whole solar system?
Mm-hmm.
The sun and all the planets? Tell me a little bit more about them. Okay, so.
First, we'll start about sun. Sun is 27 million degrees.
Oh my god, that's very hot, right?
You could melt on sun.
Okay.
Even lavas are in sun.
Okay.
And sun has lots of heat. Now we'll go to Mercury.
Okay.
Mercury is 800 degrees. It's the second hottest planet of our solar system.
So it's not the
Mercury
hottest?
has lots of craters.
Okay.
It's a little bigger than our moon.
Okay.
Earth.
And then?
It's a little bigger than our moon. It
So
has lots of craters, more than the moon.
oh really? It's not. So it's not the hottest. So which is the hottest?
The hottest is Venus.
Okay.
Venus is very hot because it traps the sun's heat.
Okay.
It is wait, I forgot one more thing about Mercury.
Okay.
Mercury can sometimes be 900 degrees.
Okay.
Venus is the hottest planet of our solar system.
Okay.
You can melt on Mercury, both Mercury and Venus and Sun.
Okay.
Venus is the hottest planet because it traps the sun's heat.
Oh.
So that's why Venus is number one of being
Hot.
being hot. It can sometimes go to 1,000 degrees.
Okay.
Now we'll go to our planet Earth.
Well, that's the blue planet. You drew it blue. That's nice. So tell me about Earth.
And there's lots of human beings on Earth.
Okay. How many moons does we have?
Earth has only our satellite called the moon. Moon has lots of phases, like sometimes can be half, sometimes full, half, and
Okay.
and I think that's all I know.
Okay. Tell me about Mars.
Mars, people in rocket ships are trying to go to Mars, but Mars has lots of volcanoes. It has the highest mountains named Olympus Mons, which is bigger than Everest.
Wow. And it's called what, the red planet?
And two robots. Yeah,
Okay.
Robots are on Mars right now.
Oh.
They're trying to explore the whole world of Mars, then come back to Earth.
Very good.
And tell scientists about it. Next is the giant planet Jupiter. Jupiter's the biggest planet in our solar system. As you can see, it's 90,000 miles across.
Oh wow. And what is that?
And the red spot is a giant storm. It can fit 2 Earths in it.
Wow, so Jupiter has storms. Okay. What is the one next to it?
The one named Saturn. Saturn has rings around it. Someday the rings will disappear.
Really?
Yes. And Saturn is like Jupiter. It has storms also.
Okay.
Saturn has rings that are made of dusty ice.
Oh. So
That are really, really dirty.
and what's next to that?
Uranus. Uranus is the coldest planet in our solar system.
Okay.
Actually, maybe Uranus is sometimes the coldest planet in our solar system.
Okay.
Uranus has its brother Neptune.
Okay.
It has a brother named Neptune because they both look like twins, and the same size, but Uranus is bigger. Uranus is the third biggest in our solar system.
Wow. And Uranus and Neptune are both like blue in color?
And they're both like blue in color. Only thing is Uranus is Uranus is light blue, Neptune is dark blue.
Okay.
Uranus spins instead of this way, that way.
Oh, it has a different revolving. Oh, so it spins the wrong way. All right. And tell me a little bit more. So, and does Neptune have storms on it?
Neptune and, oh yeah, I forgot something about Uranus. And Uranus has storms just like Saturn and Jupiter.
Mm-hmm.
Last comes Neptune. Neptune has lots of storms, and even the wind storms can go to 2,000 miles per hour.
Wow. And which is next one?
And then Pluto.
Is that a planet or not?
Pluto's not a planet because if it wasn't in the Kuiper Belt, that means it'd still be a planet, but it's in the Kuiper Belt, so it's not a planet. And they said the three criteria for Pluto.
So it doesn't meet the criteria for planet. So one is it's in the Kuiper Belt.
One is in the Kuiper Belt.
And what about the orbit?
Two, its orbit is very elliptical because sometimes Pluto can get closer to Neptune from the sun for 20 years and then comes back.
Oh, my God, you know a lot about planets. How long does it take for Pluto to go around the sun?
Pluto goes around 248 years to go around the sun.
Oh, how long does it take for Jupiter to go around the sun?
Jupiter, oh yeah, I forgot all the planets. Another thing about Mercury, Venus, Earth, Mars, Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus, Neptune, Pluto.
Okay.
Mercury takes 88 days to go around the sun. Venus takes 243 days to go around the sun. Earth takes 365 days to go around the sun. Mars takes 687 days to go around the sun. Jupiter takes 12 years to go around the sun. Saturn takes 29 years to go around the sun. Uranus takes 84 years to go around the sun. Neptune takes 164 years to go around the sun. And Pluto takes 248.
My God, how do you remember all that? Now tell me a little bit more about how long does it take for Jupiter to go around itself?
And, oh yeah, and one more thing again, sorry.
Okay.
Mercury's day is 60 days on Earth.
Okay.
1 day on Mercury equals 60 days on Earth.
Uh-huh.
1 day on Venus equals 116 days on Earth.
Wow.
1 day on Earth is 24 hours. 1 day on Mars is 1 day on Mars is 24 hours and 44 minutes and 16 seconds.
Oh my God. Okay, and Jupiter?
Jupiter's days last 9 hours 55 minutes. Saturn's day lasts Saturn days last 10 hours 14 minutes. Uranus's day lasted 17 hours
Wow.
long, and Neptune's day takes 16 hours long, and Pluto's day takes six Earth days and six Earth days and a half.
Well, that's wonderful. I don't know how you remember all that. Tell me about their moons. How many moons they have?
And Mercury has 0 moons, Venus has 0 moons, Earth has 1, Mars has 2, Jupiter has 67.
And which is the biggest one?
Saturn has 62, Uranus has 27, Neptune has 14, Pluto has 5.
Very good. And which is the biggest moon?
The biggest moon is Ganymede right over here, which is bigger than Mercury and both Pluto too.
So Ganymede is the moon of Jupiter, which is bigger than Mercury and Pluto. My God, Avi, how do you know? How do you remember all this? That's amazing.
Because of Google.
Oh, you found out from Google? Well,
And I don't steal your phone.
okay.
I go on
oh, you,
my tablet. But it's all because. But even though I do, but even though oh, because even though I have to do other things, it's all because of this planet thingy.
okay. Now, what is that? That's a rocket ship? What have you written on it?
And it's USA NASA, which
So
is trying to go to Pluto.
Oh, so Avi is in a rocket ship trying to go to Pluto. What do you want to be, Avi, when you grow up?
An astronaut or a president.
Okay. Well, you have my best wishes. Avi, your little lesson was amazing. Bye-bye.
Bye.